10 days is not enough to explore Vietnam, unless you do it right. And with this epic 10-day tour, your itinerary is packed with the very best highlights of Vietnam with AVG Travels, including your flights, hotels, guides and more. First up is the chaos and charm of Vietnam's capital, Hanoi. It's loud, fast and the food is delicious. And somehow it just works. Whether you're sipping egg coffee, crossing the streets like a local, or exploring the temples tucked between buildings, Hanoi grabs you from day one. Then you head straight off to the well-known Halong Bay. One of the world's natural wonders, photos just don't do it justice. Pictured emerald waters, towering casts, and sunsets straight out of movie scenes. And this is all before the end of day 2. Next stop is Hoi An. Known for its colourful lanterns and the tailor-made clothes, this town is equal parts charming and photogenic. Explore the ancient streets, take cooking classes or cruise the river at sunset. Every corner is a vibe. Wrap it all up in Ho Chi Minh City, where modern skyscrapers meet historic landmarks, markets, rooftop bars and war history that leaves lasting impressions. It's loud, lively and completely unforgettable. And the best part, it's all taken care of. Flights, hotels, transport, expert guides, you just bring yourself and your appetite for adventure. If you've been dreaming about Vietnam, stop dreaming. You can book your Vietnam Highlights tour now at avgtravels.com.